Just need to secure the nut on the inside. And now for the next thing that we're going to do. If you have a look at this. This is a front lip, which you get from a Golf or Jetta 3. In fact, so is this one. This is also a Golf and Jetta 3 front lip. This is the VR6 version. The other one is a normal Golf and Jetta front lip. So, the question then is, why get another front lip if I already have one? Yeah, well, we're going to use these as rear spats down here. See that? The main reason why you want to use these ones and not the VR6 ones is for this nice little detail here. That's a nice design detail. And that will be on the corner right there as it wraps around. So we'll trim it just short of the exhaust and obviously down there. So you won't need this entire thing, but you're looking at something like that. First step is to measure it out, mark off where we need to cut, and then we can have a look at how to attach it thereafter. There. So, I've now marked off where I need to cut. Cut off there where these two black marks are, the permanent marker. And on the other side, right there, where this tab is. So, obviously you want to cut and leave a little bit of excess so you can trim back. You know, it's better to cut too big than too small because it's easier to remove than to add. That, can't wait for this detail. Let me imagine that on the corner, like down there. Brilliant. So let's get to cutting. That's more or less the size we're looking for. So now yes, this is the perfect length. Excellent. Now we just need to work out how to get this guy to bend around the corner 90 degrees. So I'm going to trim away on the inside here and down here, give me the chance to bend. So it's a new day, a much colder day, but hey, let's do this. The idea now is to drill holes to secure this guy. The good thing about these bumpers is they have a flat spot underneath, so all these tabs have somewhere to locate. Double side tape could work, but I prefer nuts and bolts. Now to get under here. Okay, so that's the first hole drilled. Let's line this up. So obviously, screw goes into the hole there and into this one. Just like that. And you can see where this is going. Just need to secure the nut on the inside, which is always a challenge when your hands are freezing. Perfect. Ah, that's not going anywhere. All right, next one. Already looking good. I'll tighten them down all the way when I'm done. Now I just need to drill the rest. Looks good. The only issue is on the sides, I need to drill the holes closer to the outside. As you can see there, that one's already fastened in, but the bolt is way down in there, so it leaves this gap. So I'm gonna have to redo that one. But essentially, this is the look we were going for. I think that looks awesome. Like I said, this is a detail. Look at that. It's brilliant. Looks nicely with the rest of the car. So there's the hole right there. it needs to be closer to the outside over here, so just going to do that, put it back together. That should do the trick. So let's see how this goes. How about that? That is what you're looking for. See how much tighter that gap is now. So once I do the rest, it'll look pretty cool. That is what we came for. We now have a rear spat installed. How do you like that? Obviously need to do the other side, but yeah, I like it a lot. I don't think this angle will happen on the other side, but we'll see. If it does, then I'll leave it. Otherwise, I'll just massage away down at the bottom there to get it all sorted out. Here we go. So it turns out this angle is just how it's due to the shape of the bumper, so the spats will naturally take that angle. You can see on this side as well. But there we go. I'm gonna pull the car out into the sun so you can see it. What I want to do now is just maybe give this a little angle rather than going straight down. So let's do that. So this is what the rear spats look like in the light. Just looks so much more complete now. Kind of looks like there's a diffuser almost. I will make one eventually, that's for sure. I used to have one, but that's for another day. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like to support the channel, please subscribe to my Patreon. Thanks again for watching. I'll ride with you again soon. Cheers.